There are multiple ways to run team retrospectives. For instance, you can choose to do them asynchronously or during a meeting. Both options have different benefits. Sometimes having a mix of both can be good. All the options I am sharing with you today can be done asynchronously or during a meeting. Probably the ones done on a whiteboard are best to run during a meeting, as they are not as good at guiding people as synchronously. So you have the typical ones like KALM and the Sailboat retrospective. The KALM one looks like this, and the Sailboat looks like this. You basically go through each section, and each person chooses a sticky note color and adds a sticky note to the board. You can use a timer, just like this. You can also use the start or stop tool that looks like this. The concept is the same. People can add sticky notes here and even react to each other's sticky notes, and they will see each other's cursors if this is done during a meeting. Or you can add a start and due date and ask people to participate asynchronously. This format is great for asynchronous meetings because it's guided. It tells you what's next and what is expected from you. There are other similar options like the astronaut meeting or the quick team retro. Here is a quick overview of that. For other typical tools to run ceremonies, you can find them in our library. For example, you have a weekly stand-up that can look like this one. Discover our library. If there is anything you like but you want to change, you can do that easily and at any time. The best part of Nova is how flexible and collaborative it is. Additionally, if you use Nova to prepare and work on your product initiatives, epics, clients, or projects, then you'll have your retros as part of the workflow, and you will be able to have access to all the decisions made and how the team was feeling over time in one place. Thank you for watching.